Hey guys, thank you for visiting yourrealestate101.com. If you have not already, please subscribe and turn on notification. Like many of you, I have been paying attention to the stimulus package negotiations, going back and forth and forth and back. Well, today we found out that there will be a 25 billion rental relief in the stimulus package. So I did some digging around. Here are my top 5 things you should know about the $25 billion rental relief. Number 1, tenants will apply for the aid through the state or local relief organizations. It can cover up to 12 to 15 months of assistance if needed. Number 2, if you live in states like New York, California, where rental relief programs are already set up, then you may see your money much sooner. However, if you live in states like Alabama, Missouri, where they will have to get the program started first before they can give money out, this means you will be waiting for a bit of a while. Number 3, the tenants can use the money for back rent going back since the COVID started. They can also use it to cover current and future rents as well. Okay, that's pretty nice. Number 4, renters must qualify. Eligibility depends on tenants' income. They have to be below 80% of the area's median income. Now, they can also qualify if they qualified for unemployment benefits, or if they're getting evicted, or if they've had some form of economic financial difficulties due to COVID or lost hours in their job. Number 5, landlords can be paid directly by the state or local government. As long as the tenant signs off on it, on the application, then you will get it directly. Now, if the landlord refuses the aid, then the tenant can get the money directly, then give the money to the landlords. Okay, there you have it. My top 5 things you should know about the 25 billion rental relief being given out to tenants to pay for their rent. For many landlords, this will not suffice since it depends on the tenant signing up for the relief. I imagine the relationship between tenants and landlords might be tense at this moment. They clearly wanted to give the power to the tenant. The only problem is with the renewal of the moratorium. I can't see too many tenants rushing to their government buildings, waiting out on lines in the cold to get their landlord's money, when frankly, they really don't have to. But I am an optimistic guy. Let's see what happens. I recommend you guys start your game plans right away on how you will get some of this money. I would love to know what your opinions are on this. Comment below, like, share, subscribe, and let's start a conversation.